Hi everyone, welcome back to my video in YouTube, and my name is Angga Risky from Indonesia. And today's video, I'm gonna share about my journey about the camera that I use for this YouTube channel since 2015 until right now. And I'm so excited to set this journey to let you know if the process is important more than anything. Alright, so let's get started. So back in the time 2015, I was only using Asus Zenfone. Alright, that's my first ever phone that I ever buy by myself. Alright, so at the first time salary that I got from the graphic design, I was saving that money, and then I was deciding to buy the new smartphone, which was Asus Zenfone Laser 2. And then after that, I was starting the YouTube channel in the September 2015. From September 2015 until January 2016, I'm still using that smartphone for the mic, camera, and then for anything for the daily use. And then I come to the 2017, and I was deciding to buy the new iPhone 7. Alright, so basically before I was buying the iPhone 7, I was using Xiaomi from my sister, but actually I was exchanged my Asus Zenfone with the Xiaomi from my sister. And then after that, after that I was using Xiaomi for more than 6 months, and then I was saving money for the new iPhone 7. So the reason why, because I want to get the powerful handphone and to get the camera. Alright, so basically I didn't have a lot of money to spend a lot of money into the gear, like the camera or like the smartphone, you know that, because the other said that I have to buy, and I have to buy something else that matters for me and for my family. So right now I got a chance to upgrade my smartphone to become the Sony A6500 with the Figma lens 16mm, and I was so excited that I can improve my video quality as well, and besides that I can learn photograph, videograph for the anything else that I haven't explored yet. So nice, I'm so happy. Yeah, so thank you very much for you that supporting me on this YouTube channel. So every day you watch my video, every day you come back, every day you share this video, you were supporting this YouTube channel for me, that I can improve the video quality, the tutorial, and then a lot of things that I can share with you. Okay guys, I don't want to make this video longer for you. I just want to announce that currently I'm using Sony A6500 with the lens 16mm from Sigma. Alright, so thank you very much for Asus Zenfone, thank you very much for iPhone 7, and welcome to my life, Sony. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and give me the reason, or give me something, or you can put comment on this video. What is your camera gear set? If you are YouTuber, if you are doing some filmmaker or videography, let me know what camera that you use to produce all of them. Alright, so yeah, that's all. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. Peace.